Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. In today's lesson, we're going to start looking at recovery scenarios. In our previous lesson, we had talked about how to back up our CDB and our PDB. So today, we'll start with some recovery scenarios. Now, the first scenario we want to look at is how to recover from the loss of a system data file on our CDB database. So what we'll try to do is to simulate a situation where the system data file was deleted, and then we'll look at steps to recover the system data file. These are part of the challenges you'd likely encounter as you work in your different environments as a DBA. Okay, so first things first, we'll start by invoking rman. By now, you should get used to the command to invoke rman. Okay, it's just simple, rman space target space /, and we're already connected to our target database. Now, let's try to check the name of the file that we want to delete. Okay, so we can actually use it in the remove command, right? So for that, I'll execute the statement select name from the $data file where file number is equal to 1. Now, this is the full part of the data file we want to delete. You can see it's a system data file in the root container, right? So you want to take a note of this entire part because this is the full name of the data file. And then you want to use the remove command to delete the data file. Now observe that you can actually run operating system commands on the rman prompt, but you would use the keyword host before you run any operating system command. So I'll just paste the command here. You can see host and then the entire operating system command. So if you observe, we have taken the entire part here and we've placed it here. So we are removing this system data file. We're actually deleting it from the system. So let's just execute and then you can see host command complete. Now, for you to know, for you to observe that this file has been deleted, okay, at the moment, nothing might happen, okay? You may not have observed. It's only when you try to either shut down the database or bring it up again, that's when you might observe this error. But for practice purposes, we have to use the validate command to discover the lost data file, okay? So for that, I'll quickly execute the command validate database. Good. And then you can now see that the database has thrown an error at us. And what's the error? It said database file 1 failed verification check. And you can see clearly that the database was unable to identify the system data file. So this in itself is a challenge. You can see the error, no such file or directory. It means the file is actually missing. All right, so let's see the recovery steps. What are the steps we need to take to recover this data file? Remember, the data file number is actually file 1 based on our previous query and from the error output we are getting. Okay, let me just highlight it so you see it. So you can see clearly that the file number is file 1. So recovery steps. First thing we need to do is to issue the command startup force, and then we use the mount. Now this command is equivalent to your shutdown abort, right? Normally, if the database is running, you may need to abort it, okay? So let's quickly execute this command, startup force mount. The database has been mounted. Now the next thing we want to do is to run the restore command. Restore data file 1. You can see it's reading from the backup piece of the full backup we took earlier. Now you can see finish restore. And then the next command we want to use is the recover data file. So for that, we'll say recover data file 1. Media recovery started, and then it has finished the recovery. And then after this, we need to alter the database to open it. So alter database, open. Sorry, I think I missed the letter A. Alter database, open. Okay, statement processed. And then you can go ahead and open the pluggable databases. So alter pluggable database, all open. Congratulations, you've successfully recovered your system data file. Okay, now if you need to confirm, run the validate command again. So say validate database. And then this time you can see that everything seemed to be okay. All right, so guys, this is how to recover from loss of a system data file in your container database. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was interesting to you. If it was, please like it and share it widely. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out whenever I upload another valuable content. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.